Rehan's stomach is rumbling with the aroma of besan laddus coming from his neighbor's house. He wishes he knew how to make laddus or cook food so he didn't have to depend on someone else to satisfy his hunger pangs. He thinks it would have been better if he was a plant, because plants can make their own food. But what do plants use to make food? Plants prepare their own food using components like water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide, hence, they are called producers. All animals depend on plants for food directly or indirectly, and thus they are called consumers. Some consumers, like the deer, only eat plants. They are called herbivores. Animals that only eat plants are called herbivores. Some consumers, like the tigers or lions, kill herbivores like deer and eat them. Animals that eat only the flesh of other animals are called carnivores. Some consumers, like humans, eat both plants and animals' meat. They are called omnivores. Ever wondered what happens to these animals when they die? Well, most of the time, the scavengers eat them. Scavengers are a group of animals which only consume dead plants and animals. Vultures and hyenas are examples of scavengers. They gather around the dead animal after carnivores like tigers or lions have finished eating them. But that's not the end yet, because the scavengers leave behind remains. Tiny animals which cannot be seen by the naked eye feed on these remains. They are called the decomposers. They break down the small bits of dead plants and animals to simpler nutrients which eventually mix with the soil. This process is called decomposition. Any guesses what happens next? Well, plants absorb nutrients from the soil and grow. These plants are eaten by herbivores like a deer, which would be preyed upon by a carnivore. This cycle of interdependence continues and helps to maintain the balance of the ecosystem. These thoughts have made Rehan more hungry. He will ask his mother to make some laddus for him.